Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Come spend the day with me as I try another liquidation warehouse known as Unbox USA. Today, this warehouse is in South Slope, Brooklyn. So I've never been to this liquidation place, and to say that I came unprepared is an understatement. People came in here with shopping carts from Home Depot and Walmart. I don't even know if there's one in Brooklyn, so I don't know how they got that. But on this day in particular, all of their items are $2 each. All of these clothes, $2 each. And most of these bins that they call it, are all Target liquidation. So all of these brands of clothes came from Target. So on Wednesdays, everything is $2. Thursday, everything is $2 and $1. $1. Friday, it's $12. Saturday, it's $10. Sunday, it's $7. Monday, it's $5. So I kind of caught it on the tail end of the week, and I'm not 100% sure, but I believe they get their restock like Thursday night, and that's why Friday morning everything is $12 because it's the fresh pick from the truck. And as the week, the days dwindle down throughout the week, the price goes down. So Saturday is $10, Sunday is $7. So after things have been picked over, so it's a little bit picked over, but these clothes are in really good condition. I've been to liquidation warehouses where they're literally trying to sell you, damaged and moldy and nasty items. This was not the case. Everything here looked like it just came straight from Target. So I really enjoyed myself. However, like I said, there's a lady with the Home Depot cart. How did she get that? I didn't have a shopping cart or anything, so I am just picking things up, sorting through it, and just putting it on my hands, holding it in my hands. And then I had like lacerations, no joke, I had lacerations on my arm because I was holding so many items, but they had really great quality things. So I'm a person that gets overly stimulated really fast. I don't even shop in grocery stores or really shop for clothes in stores. I do everything online, so that way I can pace myself with my online cart and everything like that. So being in a store for the first time, in a store like this, was a little overwhelming for me. I'm anxious. I'm looking in this bin, that bin. What's that person got in their cart? What's over there? Oh man, why didn't I bring a cart? Why didn't I bring a bag? In New York, they don't really give plastic bags. You have to walk around with your reusable totes. And so I'm just like, I was overwhelmed, to say the least. So all of these items are new with tags from Target. Only thing is that these bins you just dig through. It's not like, oh, this bin is for kids' clothes, this is for women's, this is size, this, that, and the third. It's just all dumped there, and you have to go through it to figure out what you want. Also, I'm inspecting things, looking for little imperfections and stuff like that. But it's something. It's fun. It's something. I gave myself a limit of how much money I wanted to spend for the day, and I'm staying within that limit. Really checking these pants out because they're by the Future Collective brand at Target, which is a black-owned brand by Kalana Barfield Brown. She's a Howard University alum. Target does like partnerships with black creators, black designers, and that was a launch that she had at Target, and I loved her clothes. I grabbed a few things when they had the initial launch, but they don't have it anymore. So the fact that I came across it, I was like, oh my gosh, but it wasn't my size, so I had to put it back. So a lot of the items are repetitive. You might see it in one bin and it's a size 1X, and then you see it in the next bin and it's a 4X. So a lot of the items are repetitive. That stuff did have a stain on it. These jeans, I ended up getting them. I ended up grabbing two pair. They're leather in the back and then jeans in the front. So I wasn't too sure on the sizing, but I know sometimes certain materials, are a little bit tighter. So I just went ahead and grabbed them. I wanted that skirt so bad, that little form-fitting sweater knit skirt, but they did not have my size. A lot of these things were on the bigger size, and you see my arm, I am just piling all this stuff up on my arm. I literally had a mark on my arm for like the next 2 days. But aren't these leather pants fly? I already own a lot of leather pants for the fall. I own an all black pair that I got from the Gap, but these are different because they're jean in the front. So like, I love it real, real bad. And these are those form-fitting dresses, like the Skims tight-fitting dresses. I just grabbed a whole bunch of these. Whether or not they fit me, I'll either give them away, sell them on Poshmark, but I love those type of form-fitting dresses really, really bad. I had passed by a lady who had some gloves on, and you know what? If I do come back here again, well, not even if, I'm definitely gonna come back and be here at like as soon as they open. But I'm definitely gonna have some gloves on because I'd say a handful of items that I picked through look kind of nasty. I mean, because maybe for all we know, these are returns, unsellable items, whatever, whatever. I've worked in warehouse industry. I know that mice and different rodents run through warehouses. It's easy to get transported from one warehouse to the next. Like they got these bins, these pallets straight from Target. So it's no telling what type of infestations or whatever Target had, and it goes from that place straight to here. And we're the first people to dig through it. So next time I might really get me some gloves. So this is everything that I got from Unbox USA, the liquidation place. I was overwhelmed in there. This was my first time going, so I wasn't prepared. People came in there with shopping carts and bags. I just was holding it on my arm. I still have lacerations on my arm from holding all this on one arm. But let's get into the haul. This mat, $1. I don't even care how it looks. It's gonna go on my front door. Super cute. $1. And that candle was $1 as well. All of this came to $32 because all the clothes were $2 each. I guess I must have got 15 items, made it 30, then 31, 32. So this is everything clothes-wise that I got. I got a pair of sweatpants. They're men's sweatpants in a size extra large. That is like a form-fitting dress, like those stretchy Skims type of dress. I got like 5 of them. I think I got 2 blue, a brown, a pink. That's the white sweater that I first found when I got to the liquidation. I got another green sweater. This is another form-fitting dress. These are leather pants, Target brand. The back side is leather, and then the front side is jean materials. I got a pair for myself. I got a pair for my mom. That's a men's regular gray t-shirt. These are like some swoosh pants. They're like a green color for myself. I got some t-shirts for my little cousins, and a women's long sleeve shirt as well. Thanks for stopping by and joining me today as I went to the Liquidation Unbox USA and showed you guys all of what I got. If you like the content, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks.